Hey Bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is sorrel. My auntie made some sorrel over the holidays and she gave us like a big jug of it, so I'm making sure I get mine done before, or at least get some before my husband finishes, because this thing is so good. It does have alcohol in there, but I don't think it's like, you know, OD alcohol. It's like what the thing called, red label wine. I think that's what she puts in there. I don't think there's any white rum in it, just a red label, but it tastes so good. Again, so refreshing. You know, I like my drinks refreshing, and you can taste the ginger, you can taste the piments, you can taste all the spices. Anyways, I'm rambling. Go ahead, grab your drink, come back, and let's talk. So for today's video, I'm going to be answering a question, and the question was, do girls care if a guy's penis is darker than the rest of his body? What I'll say to that is no. This question kind of hit home for me because for the longest time I thought, because you know, I'm a black girl and most black girls, this is their thing, their vagina is a little bit darker than the rest of their body. I thought this was an issue. This is literally just a personal insecurity, because guys don't care, girls don't care. And it's funny because I'm married, he's been with me for the longest time, but I'm thinking, oh no, you're married to Kissyface454, she has to be perfect, she has to be this, she has to be that. But it's the same thing with him. So if I don't care and he's never mentioned it, what's the issue? It's your own personal insecurity. It's something that we need to get over. It's something that we need to realize that it happens to anybody who has some kind of melanin in their skin, especially if you've shaved before. It's going to get darker. If you continually shave, it's going to get darker. There are skin lightening products out there that you can use to lighten that area, but if you're not going to be showing your cooch on camera, if you're not going to be, I think if you're not getting like, you know, is it microdermabrasion? It's not microdermabrasion. Laser hair removal, I don't think it really matters. Like, nobody's going to go back to their friends and be like, oh my gosh, his dick was so black. No, unless it's a case where your dick is just dirty and that's just sad and sick and you need to sort your life out, then that's a whole different story. But as far as it just being like a couple shades darker than the rest of your skin or the rest of your body or whatever, it's really not that big a deal. Nobody really cares, especially putting a condom on, who's really gonna see it, you know? So and then when we're giving head, it's like, sure, you would kind of inspect it beforehand, but the color of it being a little bit darker than the rest of your body is not one of the things that we think about while we're giving head. Okay, hope this answered your question. If you have any questions that you want to ask, you want me to answer on camera, either leave them down below or send me an email. My email is in the description bar. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.